guys, this is Ronnie. I am coming on to do another wreath. This is going to be a gold one, and I got most of my supplies from Walmart, Michael's, and some things free, but I'll explain that. So first I got this little fake globe, snow globe, but it's not snowy or anything. But I thought it was really cute to maybe put in the center of the wreath, or something like that. I also got these. I got these because I just saw that they were gold, and they are 97 cents from Walmart right now. But I think these look more aquatic, if that makes sense. Like it looks like for something like a fish tank or something. I'm not sure. I'm sure I'll probably still use them because they're cute. The leaves are just different, and that could come in handy. I got this bow. I have a couple here, and I also have more. I actually looked on Facebook for free stuff, and this lady was giving away a bunch of free bows. So I, of course, got on that immediately, and a whole big bag full of free bows. So definitely check out your Craigslist and OfferUp, and also Facebook. So I might use these. I also got these branches, gold branches, for also 97 cents each at Walmart. This is a clip from Walmart. It was $1.48, and what I usually do with these, I usually cut them and make them individual spirally things. If that makes sense, and glue them on individually. And sometimes I cut them in half depending on how I want it to look. So that comes in handy. You only have to buy one. I got these also for 97 cents each. I got a bunch, and they are cute little Christmas flowers, and they also have gold in the center, so I thought that was really cute and would go really well. Plus, I never worked with Christmas flowers for some reason, but today is the day. I also got these from Walmart. I can't remember. I believe they're like $1.47 also. I got them last year. We had a gold and silver tree. So I believe it comes like 4 or 5 in a pack. And I might use these, I might not, but I just know they're gold and they're cute, and I might use them. Okay, so I got this from Michael's. It was $6 for all these little things because I really wanted the wreath to be about all the decorations and not just having big ornaments take up the whole wreath. So I got these little ornaments, and I thought they would look really cute on there. And the pink would add a pop of color also. I also got this big ribbon from Michael's. I went during the Black Friday sale. Woo! So this says $15. I actually got it for, I believe it was $6. So yeah, that's really good for this amount of ribbon and this big. I'm also going to be using my hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, and And as you can probably see, I added a little sparkle to the wreath. Oh, speaking of the wreath, I got this from Walmart for $4. So, and this is normal price, $4 for the wreaths. They also have $2 wreaths. That's a little bit smaller than this. So Walmart has great deals on wreaths. So I also want to tell you guys that I sprayed it with the Craft Bond adhesive spray. You can use any adhesive spray that you want. Even if you don't want to do this, you don't have to. It's optional. I just sprayed mine with a little adhesive spray and added some old gold and silver flake glitter that I had laying around, just to give the wreath some glam to it also. So I thought it would be really cute. So let's get started. Okay guys, so what I'm doing now is just putting the ribbon all around the wreath. This is only one time, and I'm going to go around again, and I'm thinking I'm going to overlap them in some way. My other camera broke, so I can't record the whole thing because this one doesn't have memory, that good of a memory. So I'll just come back when I do the second lap around. Okay, so now I am done with the ribbon. I just basically overlapped it, doing it the opposite direction. If you want to see how to do that in a more detailed way, definitely check out Ramon at Home. I learned a lot of my techniques for wreath making from him. And he was also, I think, an interior designer, so you know, I just go wherever my heart goes. So now I'm going to start putting on the little tiny ornaments I got, and I'll come back. Okay, so I changed my mind. I think I'm going to start with the flowers just because they're bigger, and I'll use the smaller ornaments to fill in spaces where I didn't put the flowers. Okay, so that's what it's looking like after I put the Christmas flowers on. I only used 2 bundles, and I believe it was 5 on each bundle. I didn't want to overdo with the flowers. I still have, what, 2 more? But I think I'll just save them because knowing me, I can fill this whole thing up with flowers. So now I'm going to go ahead and put these mini ornaments on. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the pink ones. So I'm just going to use the gold first and see how it goes. Okay, so here's how it's looking with those tiny ornaments on. So now I'm going to start putting the branches on. And like I said before, I'm going to cut them and make them separate. So yeah, just gonna stick them on for, you know, dramatic purposes. Alright, I'll come back. Okay. So this is what it looks like after I put my little branches on. Excuse my son, he might be loud. I put my little branches on, and if you can kind of see, I kind of put them all in a direction, especially on the outside, going towards the right side. And that's just to make it look like it's not sticks sticking out everywhere. But honestly, you can do it however you feel. Like I told you, I just kind of go with my heart, and whichever way it flows, that's it. So now I believe I'm going to put my little ornament on and see if I'm done, because I still have a lot of things that I didn't put on, but I might want to put them on. So just give me a second and I'll see. I chose not to put anything else on it because it looks beautiful the way it is, and I didn't want to do too much. It's sparkling. It's beautiful. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you for watching. Came outside to show you how it looked on my door. It looks super cool, especially on this red door. I love it.